Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. Welcome to Artyshils Art and welcome to this brand new episode of Studio Chats with Artyshils. So just in case you don't know me, my name is Shilpa Lalit, and in the Studio Chat series, I share with you one of my complete paintings from start to finish, along with sharing with you some important topics of discussion. So in today's video, we will be looking at this beautiful painting from start to finish, along with talking about 5 things to know as a beginner artist. But before we get started, I wanted to let you know that just in case you would like to learn all my paintings from start to finish through some extremely in-depth classes and every little detail explained, then do check out Artyshils Art Academy, which is my online art academy, and I teach a lot of my paintings over there. So to catch up with that, do visit the link of the academy, which you will find in the description box below, and also check out these beautiful high quality Artyshils art brushes that are perfect for acrylic painting, oil painting, watercolor painting and gouache painting as well. And if you have any question about anything, you can always DM me on Instagram and we make sure to reply to everyone. So find me on Instagram at Artyshils. Now without taking any more of your time, let's get started and let's talk about 5 things to know as a beginner artist. So the very first thing that I wanted to share is have a clear vision of where you want to be with your art, and this is very, very, very important. No matter what level of art you are on right now, just have a vision of where you want to be 2 years from now. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? And that vision will make it very clear for you to take that path accordingly. So if you see yourself as an artist selling paintings, you will take that path. Or if you see yourself selling various art related products, then you will take your path or design your path like that. So that's why having a clear vision is very, very important. The second thing is consistency is the key with whatever you want to achieve your art. Having a vision is great because that shows you your path and what you want to do to reach there, right? But putting in consistent efforts day by day without giving up, without losing hope, even when things are not going right, that is very important. So work on your art, not only art, but work on that path as well that will take you towards that vision. So consistency in everything is very important to reach where you want to reach. Now the third thing I wanted to share is no matter what stage you are with your art, don't compare yourself with anybody else but to yourself. Now this is very, very important because once you start comparing yourself to somebody else, that will cause demotivation, and that is not your goal because that is not going to take you towards your path. Look at other artists who are doing well and who inspire you, but don't compare. Always compare yourself to your previous art. Have you improved from your previous work? Are you moving further? Are you practicing enough to get to that next level? Compare yourself to how you were yesterday than comparing yourself to anybody else at all. Now the fourth thing that I want to talk about is social media. So nowadays, to grow your art and make your presence felt, convert your art into business, or just to be able to move forward with your art, it is very important that you make it reach to as many people as you can. So make sure that you're learning about social media as well. At least make 2 platforms online, whichever you enjoy, whichever is your favorite. Choose such 2 platforms and make sure that you're just sharing consistently over there. You are regular, presenting your work, and not only presenting your work, connecting with people over there, trying to help them out, trying to be there for them as well. So just find at least 2 social medias that you really enjoy, be it Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or whatever it is, and make sure that you also learn how to use and create content there as well to make your presence. Now the 5th point that I wanted to share is have your online home. So what is an online home? The online home is your website, a place that represents you online, a place where somebody can come and look at everything that your art is all about, right? From what you create, the products you create with your art, your goals should be over there. Your website should, kind of reflect your art and your personality, and that will entirely put you in another position as an artist. So imagine that website to be your online home. So whenever somebody comes to your home, they look at your home and they just know your personality, what you have to offer, how welcoming your home is, how beautiful your home is, and everything, right? So when somebody should come to your website, they should just know what you are all about and what you have to offer and how welcoming you are, right? So these were all the 5 things that I had to share. I hope you found these helpful. But before these 5 things, the most important thing is work on your art. Work on your art so much to improve your skill and try and keep getting to that next level as much as you can. I would love to know your thoughts about everything that I share, or whatever out of these 5 points was your favorite. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share this with your friends or family, as that will really help support this channel a lot. So thank you so much for listening to me till here. I hope you enjoyed the painting that you just watched, and do check out Artyshils Art Academy to check out all my online workshops and Artyshils art brushes as well. That'll help you bring that precision that you need in your paintings. So with that being said, I will take your leave. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon for such regular videos, and DM me on Instagram for any questions or any help you need. So with that being said, I'll see you next time. Till then, bye and happy creating. Bye.